Hey Google, talk dirty to me.
Manure, dust, crusty crumbs on the floor.
Manure, dust, and crusty crumbs on the floor. Well, she did talk dirty to me. Good morning, good morning. Today is December 28th. And there's the beauty sitting there waiting. We have a car show to go to today in Davie. So let's hit the road. Hey Google, play some Cardi B.
Here's a Spotify station featuring Cardi B.
All right. Where are my keys? My keys. Let's go. Keys, keys, keys. Where would the keys be? Keys, keys, keys. Oh, here they are. Let's get going. Neighbors, if you live here at my girlfriend's relative's house, I am sorry on this early morning, but sometimes you just need a cold start on a 2018 Dodge Charger. Sorry neighbors, sorry. But let's go. How do you like that title of the song I was listening to? Perfect for this video. Goes to my job. Thank you, next. Did me a favor. What's up? What's up, YouTube? Good morning, good morning. Gonna go meet my kids today, go visit my grandmother who's 99 years old. I wanted to give you a quick update. I'm supposed to go to a car show tonight. It's all gonna depend on the weather. But anyways, so I wasn't gonna make this video because I didn't know this information was going to exist, but I just found out, so I wanted to share because I'm happy about it. If you remember in my last video, I got fired by somebody. We won't go there anymore. I always keep my channels fun and happy and positive, and I don't want to spend more breath on somebody so worthless, or two people. But anyways, so that being said, it's funny how God works and how life is, because when I got terminated, I was all feeling down, never been terminated before, blah, blah, blah. Worked as much as I could and all that. And, but anyways, my girlfriend, who's like my rock, told me, don't get upset, don't let it bother you. Everything happens for a reason, which I'm a firm believer in that, always have been. And you've always done well for yourself, she tells me, and you'll get back on your feet. You're not a stupid person, and life will go on and be better. So, took that advice, and happens to be that I talked to a friend of mine that I told you guys about, that we used to work together back in the day, and he drives 18-wheelers and he owns his own truck. He owns his own 18-wheeler. So he's his own boss, works for himself. And that is now my business partner. We work together. And I was just realizing, because him and I were talking, I don't ever like to talk about money or what I get paid or anything like that. I think it's tacky. But when I moved to Alabama, I got a pretty good raise. And now, with this new thing that I'm doing, since he owns his own truck, I'm getting a hell of a raise. More than I was with the other company. Funny how things work out. So, for those of you going through some rough times or what have you, don't give up. Always stay positive, always hustle, always work. Everyone that you work with or come in contact with in your life, always leave a positive impression. Because in the industry that I was working in before I got terminated, I made a lot of friends back in Miami, and some people in Alabama that I still talk to. including the University of Alabama Police Department. And they have all helped me. And it's all because of who I am and how I treat people. And I don't BS people, and I don't have hidden agendas and all that stuff. So it all pays off. So when I get back to January, when I hit back on the road, I'm excited. Like, I'm gonna be making more money. And on top of that, my girlfriend, who also got laid off from her job, she started thinking, it's amazing when both of you lose your jobs around the same time and you're in a state you've never been to before and you don't have family and all that, and you're like, crap, what's going to happen next? What do I do? It's amazing what you're capable of doing. And so she started thinking and doing some research, and she started her own freaking business, got her LLC and everything. I never would have imagined. And she's already got business. Like, how cool is that? I've owned a couple of businesses and all that, but she never has, and she just started coming up with some things and some ideas and research, and she found something that she enjoys and likes, and now she has her own business and already has customers. Like, man, when one door closes, another one opens. And we're leaving Alabama. Thought about staying there, but I'm gonna leave, because God forbid I run into certain people while I'm up there. I know myself, and I don't want to, it's not worth it. So anyways, yes, you hit rough patches in life, but you also, another door opens, So, and that's what happened with us. We remained positive. We didn't just sit around and do nothing and pout and wait until things come to us. We reached out to our contacts and reached out to the friends that we've made here in Alabama, and of course back in Miami. And all right, sorry, I got cut off, got a phone call. Anyways, so like I said, always be good to people. Always be good to people you come across in life. Even the two miserable people that I dealt with at work, I wish them the best of luck. I do. You got to learn to forgive. And it's not their fault that they're evil or raised bad or whatever. You just got to learn to forgive and hope that they change and go on and live your life, because it's kind of what we did, and look what happened. Look at all the great stuff that just came out of it. Making more money and not having a boss. We both will be our own bosses, which is awesome. Because when you own your own truck, which I don't, but my friend does, and I'm working with him, you don't actually work for the company, the 18-wheeler company or whatever. You actually resign from that position, which is what I'm doing. And we have our own truck, so I don't need to be hired from them and drive their equipment. And we take their loads. We can pick and choose what loads we want, where we go. We take time off whenever we want, because we are our own company. So it works out great. He's been waiting to find somebody who wants to do this with him that he trusts, and since we've known each other for about 15-20 years and we used to work together, it works out great. But anyways, I just wanted to give you guys that update. Like I said, if I can get to the car show tonight, if it's not raining, I'm going to be there. We're going out tonight to celebrate the good news. We had a date night last night at Blue Martini, and tonight we'll go out and celebrate a little bit. We'll go see my kids now, my grandmother. It should be a great day. So stay positive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will chat later. All right, let's find the president of my car club. I don't know if you can tell, but it's been raining, so it looks like most everybody has left. But
and I have that one as well. And you know what? Yeah, that's
he has no idea that I'm coming. That's his car. The Blue Beauty. One if they're over there. Standing under there.
Hey, where you going?
We'll see.
Here's the problem.
I need to look at this car real quick. Honestly, I don't even know what this is. Don't know. Of course, he's not at the car show, he's eating. He's not at the car show, he's feeding his face.
Look at that! Look what the cat dragged in! Oh boy!
This is for my next YouTube video.
That is a surprise.
What year is it?
15.
15? Straight pipe, 2015. Oh shit. That's loud. Alright, Alex, what year is it? 2016. Shaker. Challenger. That's so quiet compared to that one. Sounds good, man. Yeah. Hey, start the Hellcat. What year's the Hellcat? 16? Stock, 2016. Everybody else left. We stayed late, had dinner, had a good time. Caught up with my guys from Miami. And our 2018 Super Track Pack Charger. Alright guys, we're out of here. I know this was a short video, shorter than I expected, but it rained, so the turnout was really slow. I'll be doing some more videos soon.